Yo, peace and blessings. It's your boy Tigo. Yo. So, welcome to the episode of World's Dumbest Criminals, right? So, the guy who smoke bombs the train cart, shoots it up, you know, the vigilante. He made videos about Hassan, Campbell, Bulletz, Gotti, a host of other people. But the biggest movie he's ever made was leaving his ID and credit card in the van that he rented. Also, he dropped the keys for the renter van, for the U-Haul van on the crime scene. The world's worst criminals. Then you try to use a certain YouTube community as a crutch to say, well, they're staying in the community. No, you is a stain. You is a stain by yourself, bro. Nobody else is staying, just you, homie. Kill yourself. And with that being said, y'all tell me what y'all think about that. Is he the world's stupidest criminal? Or the smartest dumb nigga? Either way, the shit's retarded. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, though.